Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is a graph in data structure. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a graph in data structure? A graph is a nonlinear kind of data structure made up of nodes or vertices and edges. The edges connect any two nodes in the graph, and the nodes are also known as vertices. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short tutorial video on what is the graph in terms of data structure in computer science. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.